channel. So before I get started, I just wanted to say make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, guys, guess what I got in the mail today? It's Curlbox! Yay! I finally got my June Curlbox issue. So if you don't know what Curlbox is, it's basically a monthly subscription of about 4 to 5 natural hair products every month for $25. And so I decided that I need them back in my life. So I finally got the Curlbox. So without further ado, let's open the box up. So this is a nice cover, very pretty. So this is what the front of the cover looks like. It's the June Curlbox issue. It just says Squad Goals. And then here is the cover inside. And so it's basically a description of what's inside of the Curlbox. And so this issue is the Maui Moisture. And it basically says this month's Curlbox is a celebration of your squad, perfect for creating the most gram-worthy looks no matter what's on the agenda this summer. And that's what the inside is about. So let's get to it, guys. So the first thing that I see is the shampoo. It says it's the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Shampoo for damaged hair. It says it softens, quench, and repairs. It's a creamy shea butter, rich coconut oil, and pure macadamia oil. It says sulfate-free also. And on the side it says it's made with 100% aloe juice as first ingredients. So that's really good that it has aloe juice in it. What else does it say? On the side it says no mineral oil, no silicones, no parabens, no gluten, no synthetic dye. It says it's yes for vegan, it's yes eco-friendly, yes pure coconut water, and of course yes pure aloe juice. So that's pretty cool. The packaging is very pretty. I like I guess you can say that's like a magenta color. It's really pretty with the little gold top, and the top opens up like that, so that's really cool. See what it smells like. Ooh, it smells really good, y'all. Really, really good. So that's the shampoo. Next up is the conditioner, and that's what the conditioner is. It's the same. It has the shea butter, coconut oil, and macadamia oil. So that's pretty cool. So I got the shampoo and the conditioner. Next up is the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask. And that's what it looks like. So that's pretty cool. Ooh, this smells so good. It smells really, really good. Now this one has the same ingredients as the shampoo and conditioner. The shea butter, coconut oil, and macadamia oil. Okay, so I guess it's just like a deep conditioner. So that's pretty cool. And then next up I have it says a detangler leave-in. So that's good. So that's the leave-in. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I love how the packaging looks. It's really pretty. I love the magenta purplish look and the gold tops. Oh, this is cool. And then it has a strength and anti-damage breakage agave raw oil. It says it's for chemically damaged hair. And this one has rich agave, velvety hibiscus oil, and fresh pineapple extract. So that's cool. So yeah, guys. So this is the last item in my June Curlbox. This is pretty cool. I've never tried the Maui Moisture before, so I'm interested to see how it's going to do my hair. I've seen it in the stores a couple of times. I've been meaning to try it out, but I never have, so I'm glad that they put that in the box this time. So that's it on that, guys. I hope you enjoyed opening up this June Curlbox issue with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.